How to check cellular data usage on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Cellular as shown. From here, you can find out how data you're using, set data restrictions, and manage carrier settings such as eSIM and Wi-Fi calling. Scroll down to the cellular data section to view the current period and current period roaming information. And then, scroll down and tap on Show All. Here, you can view and check the cellular data usage by all your apps. If you want to reset the cellular usage statistics, then go back and tap on Reset Statistics at the bottom. Tap on Reset Statistics again to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily check cellular data usage on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.